It's one of the first cars. Ah! Like it? Like it, yeah. What's up, squad? Welcome back to episode 23 of Milkshake Wednesdays. Hope you guys are doing well. Hope you guys have been having a good week. Go check out last week's video where we did some light painting with Stan Spark from Vanity Original Tire Stickers and Sheldon's Hulk. Absolutely insane how they came out. Tonight we're gonna do some. I think I'm gonna do some light photography again tonight. We'll see what cars are there, and hopefully we can get a ride along in something wild again. You guys know that now just keep getting wilder. So yeah, let's check you guys the coders. What do we have here? Damn, got some wide body, got some diffuser. It's loud. It just needs some wheels, then it'll look dope. There she goes. Just branches and a 50mm free flow stainless steel. Got coilovers on. Got a tune. Oh wait, what you guys on? Oh wait. How's it, boot?
Oh, what's up?
Nice car at the garage.
That's for sure.
Especially this garage.
Always brings out the color in the car. Yeah, at night.
Exactly. Besides the music, you guys know we always get cool cars at the garage. Very sick. Nardo Grey 135. I haven't seen one of those before. Pretty dope. Josh and I just got ourselves some pizza pies for the boys. Pizza pies. Roman, sponsor us, please.
Represent, please.
We're always supporting you guys. Come on. Give us some free pizza pies. Yeah, you're so long.
Man, I was working.
Cheers! Okay guys, I'm gonna take a couple of last photos of the Figo. I didn't tell you guys, but yeah, let's do some light photography while I explain to you guys what's happening. Camera is set up at 1.6 seconds, but I'm going a little bit brighter, maybe 2 seconds. Okay, so yeah, things have happened. So I'm sending in the Figo for some TLC, if I can call it that. I'm super excited. It's been something that I've been wanting to do on the car, so glad that I can get it done finally and the way that it is going to happen. So yeah, the car will be going in tomorrow night. I will not have it for I do not know how long. So I'm excited to see what it's going to look like when it gets back. There will definitely be a sick reveal video. You guys know already. But yeah, I'm just taking some last photos of it quickly. So I'm on 2-second shutter speed. f4. Let's check it out. So that's the angle, and just get the focus set up. There we go. So 3, 2, 1. Damn, one of my favorite photos I've taken of the car in a while. Okay, and you just can get some other angles. Then you guys know who this is. James, one of the first cars. Ah! Like it?
Wat sê jy?
Lekker jy?
Man, hoe gaan dinge hierso?
Lekker, ek neem gou 'n paar fotootjies.
Sweet man.
Oh, ja.
Elke woensdag aan die.
Ja.
Sweet, ek gaan check sometime volgende week uitslaan, maybe.
Ja, kom maak 'n draai, kom kry 'n milkshake. $25 vir 2.
Sweet man.
Sweet bro, lekker dat jy draai gemaak het. Oh, check some of this action, guys. Oh my word. Isn't this just beautiful? That's gonna be dope. Oh, beautiful, mate. Such a beautiful one. Last shot of the night. Just want to get one last portrait. 2 seconds, shutter speed f4, ISO 100. Bango! Dope. Okay, so really the last shot of the night. It's just one booty shot. Oh no, I need to run away. Okay, so give me 2 seconds. I just need to run away. 2 seconds, f4.5. Run away. That's dope, guys. Okay, so to end off this video, I am going to ask you guys a couple of favors. Firstly, it would mean the world to me if you guys smash that like button. For those guys who gals who stuck around to the end, thank you, I appreciate it. Smash that like button, guys. It's absolutely free. It helps the video get out there. It helps the algorithms put my video in front of more people, which is actually the end goal of the day. So thank you for the people that do. Thank you for commenting, thank you for engaging and participating. Check out the links down below. Go check out BlockFi. Invest at BlockFi, guys. Your crypto earnings will get some great interest rates. And yeah, go check out www.uniqueoriginals.com and grab yourself some of the sick merch, as you can see. On that note, episode 23, I'll check you guys in the next one, and you'll see the Figo in a long time from now. So thanks for joining. Peace out, keep the positive vibes flowing, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Cheers. Memphis, man.